Hello, so I wanted to show you how you guys can very easily make a chief of staff agent on datagol. We call it a chief of staff because it kind of gives us one central place where we can manage all of our workflows. For example, connect our Slack, connect our Gmail, our Google Calendar. That way I can come in here and ask for things like a daily briefing or a meeting prep, things like that before I get my day started. So it's very simple. If we come over here to the AI tab, we do have AgentX, which allows us to conversationally build whatever kind of agent we want. Chief of Staff is one of the preset options. So if I just go ahead and select Chief of Staff, then it'll give me a prompt to build a Chief of Staff agent that can manage my calendar, summarize email, and prep me for meetings. I can also say I also want it to read my Slack messages and read from my HubSpot. This way, it's able to connect to HubSpot to pull maybe some live deal information and help us there as well. There are other MCP connectors that it can also use, such as Jira, Lemlist, Confluence. We have a wide variety of MCPs that we can connect to out of the box, which I can also show in a second. So the agent will go ahead and map out what kind of connectors will be needed in order to build this chief of staff agent, and then go ahead and ask me a few questions so that it can go forward with creating the best version of the agent that it can. So here I'll specify that it's just me using the agent, and use your meeting transcripts. I'll say skip meeting transcripts for now, just because it is connecting to some existing transcripts that I have. So let's just assume that we're starting completely from scratch. So on the right side, it'll show us the exact agent that it has built. So once we approve of the setup that the agent has configured in its system prompt, then we can go ahead and say build it, and then the agent will go ahead and get us to start connecting all of our external data sources and MCPs. Here we'll get a little pop-up that asks if it's okay to connect our Gmail, and then one by one I can go ahead and start connecting. So for the purpose of the demonstration, I'll actually move forward without HubSpot and Slack. And perfect, now we can see that the Chief of Staff has been created and my MCPs have been connected. I can now click on my Chief of Staff and I can ask, what emails do I have to respond to today? And just like that, the agent has pulled all of my unread emails and will tell me how to get my day started. If you have any questions, please reach out or visit datagol.ai.